Are you looking for high-quality equipment to fulfill your projects safely, on time and on budget, or multiple projects' equipment requirements? You've come to the right place. We are Global Plant Hire, delivering the best construction, mining, and earth-moving equipment for your projects at an affordable price. Partner with Global Plant for your next project. Global Plant Hire specializes in sourcing and supplying lifting and construction equipment to global markets and selling construction equipment such as backhoe, construction and demolition equipment, excavator attachments rental, hydraulic attachments hire, hydraulic breaker sales and hire, bulldozer hire, excavator hire, excavator sales and rental plant hire, mini excavator sales and hire, survey and lifting equipment rental, construction machinery hire, demolition machine sales and rental, demolition robotics hire and sales, heavy and small plant hire, digger hire, micro digger hire, dumper hire, access equipment rental, generators rental, lighting hire, cherry picker, gardening and landscaping tools, and much more. Machines can be hired for as little as 1 day or on longer contract rental. Whatever the nature of your next project, we have the equipment you'll need when and where you'll need it. For best offers, contact us at www.globalplanthire.com.